Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering Kernel32 dll error, then watch this video for the solution. So the solution for this is to run the SFC scan and the check disk scan in command prompt. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Then in this window we will input SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter. I'm not pressing enter here because it takes a long time for the scan to run and I want this video to be short for your convenience. Now after you run the SFC scan, you need to run the check DSK space /F space /R and press enter. And then you press Y and you press enter and you wait for the scan to run. After that, you need to restart your computer by going to, and before you restart your computer, one more thing we can do folks is we can look for task manager here, click on it, and on this pane we will go to startup apps. Now in startup apps we will use click on status so that all the enabled apps come in the beginning, and we will try to disable as many apps as we do not require on startup. So if green shot is enabled, right click on it, click on disable. If light shot is enabled, click on it and click on disable, and so forth and so on. Bing wallpaper app and Notion and all this, you just disable. Whichever you don't need, you just disable, and then you restart the computer by pressing the start button, the power button, and then clicking on restart, and you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.